it's Erica here, back with a page using my Creative Scrapbooks January main kit. When I saw this included stencil, I knew I wanted to screen some color through, so I'm taking Distress Oxide and rubbing it all over the stencil. That is in fact my technique. It saves me so much time and I don't have to keep dipping my brush into the ink pad. Now, these cards included in a cut apart sheet in the kit were the inspiration for this page. I like to switch it up where I get inspiration from. And I'm really big on balance, if you haven't heard. So this was the card that started it all. So what I do on one corner, I have to do on the other corner. So as you can see, the main colors are pink, white, and teal with pops of black. And I'm backing my photos with cool white paper. And I think it's sometimes tricky to work with both warm white and cool white, but I found that as long as you don't use them in equal proportions, you should be good. Today I'm documenting when my husband and kiddo baked Fruity Pebble cupcakes together for her 5th birthday. Needless to say, they were gone very quickly. And lastly, I wanted to give one more point to the cool white side and back my page on this really pretty typed paper. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you were inspired today and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye!